Today is July 17th. About to go to work. I work 2 hours for Tech Cleaner 7 days a week. Not to mention other things, but we're not going to talk about those right now. What I would like to talk about is Service Smart Masters. What is Service Smart Masters? What do we do, and why do we do it? Well, the truth of the matter is Service Smart Masters is the new business that me and my brother have started. Service Smart Masters. We mow lawns, weed eat, trim trees, all that good stuff. We also will help you move. We'll move stuff, preferably stuff. And we also do cleaning. We currently work with Tech Cleaners. There's a plug for you. Look it up. But we will do commercial type buildings, businesses. We will also do residential. Either one, we're good. Whoever's going to give us money. So yeah, if you'd like, which I'd prefer and hope you do, you can check out our Facebook page, Service Smart Masters. You can go to my Facebook page and like it. And you can also share this YouTube video. You can also find us on Manta and Twitter, and you can find us on Google, find us on Yahoo, Bing, and a whole slew of other places. So yeah, you could Google us and we're just all over the place. Almost that whole page is all Service Smart Masters. That's all us. We're on Craigslist too. We do other things, but right now we're focusing on those three things: residential and commercial cleaning, lawn care, and moving. All right, click, share, like, subscribe. Oh, leave a comment at the bottom. Tell me what you think.